Yo, so I just picked up a supercharger kit for the SI. We'll be installing it. I'm gonna go through it, and we're also gonna take a video of the dyno when it's done. Hope you guys enjoy. Other than the supercharger kit, we also got a new fuel pump, and we also got spark plugs. Alright, so now let's get into the Kraftwerks kit. We got license plate frame, some stickers, and instructions, and a bunch of boxes. C3094 supercharger unit. This is what's going to be powering the SI. This next box, we got the belt and pulley kit. Belt. This is the pulley that will go on the supercharger, and this is the bracket. On top of that, an automatic tensioner. This box, we got the battery location kit. In this box, we got the intake manifold. In this box, we got all the oil cooling stuff. All the clamps and fittings and gaskets and stuff. Inline filter, reservoir, some hoses. We also got the oil cooler. Alright, so the next box is the intercooler. This thing's nice. This box is the hose kit with the blow-off valve. This is the blow-off valve right here. The fuel injectors, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4 injectors with the plug-and-play connectors. These are 1000cc injectors. And then lastly, this box is the charge pipe tubing. Alright, so the coolant is draining. I'm gonna start taking apart the bash bar and intake manifold and my intake. Alright, so I got the manifold on, throttle body on, injectors, supercharger, belt, tensioner, pulleys, hot side piping, half of the cold side piping, intercooler is in. Getting pretty close. I got this on. I got all the intercooler pipings on. Down there, there, all tight. Right there and there, that's where the blow-off valve is gonna go. And there's gonna be a vacuum line that goes all the way over here. And then I gotta install the oil cooler. And spark plugs, water pump, or spark plugs and fuel pump. Alright, so I got the oil cooler mounted, filter. Down here is the reservoir. Time to install. taking off the windshield cowl because I gotta do the spark plugs. Alright, so it's been exactly 7 days since I started the install. I get home at like 5, start working on the car at 6. I spend like 2 hours on it every day. So it's now ready to go. I have to get a flash from my tuner so I can start it, let it idle. So I got it ready. Today's gonna be the first start. Got a battery charger installed. Got the Honda hooked up. Big day, Civic's at the dyno, about to rip the bumper off, get it going. Alright, so all said and done. Just finished at the dyno, drove it home. Car feels amazing. Shout out to Tuning by Nick. And on top of that, car made 338 to the wheel and 250 torque, which is amazing. Like a stock SI to the wheel is like 170, like 6 or 178. Like 162 horsepower difference. Amazing. And I hope you guys enjoyed.